girls, how are you? It's Miss Filinuk. I'm so happy to see you today. Before we left for vacation, we started talking about a topic called graphing. Who remembers graphing? Oh, wow, I hope lots of you remember. So when we make graphs, we make them because they tell us something. What do they tell us, boys and girls? Who remembers? Tell your mom and dad if you remember what they tell you. That's right, they tell you information. Great job, boys and girls. We make graphs because they tell us information. So today, we are going to make a graph about what's in our laundry basket. How fun is that? So here you could see on this chair, I dumped out all the contents of my laundry basket. And then I went ahead and got a blank piece of paper and I wrote the title of my graph. What's in, I put your, but you could put my because it's going to be about your laundry basket. Laundry basket. And then I drew my graphs with lots of squares, and over on this side I wrote everything that was in my laundry basket. I wrote a skirt, jackets, socks, pants, and down here I wrote numbers for the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if I'm going to have 7 items of everything, but I just made extra in case. So let's see what is in my laundry basket here. What is this? Oh, this is a jacket. Put it on, see it opens. So I gotta put 1 mark for my jacket. Color in 1 box. Let's see what's next. Ooh, what's this? This is a skirt. Do you see it? I gotta put 1 mark for my skirt. And then, let's see, oh, I have a pair of pants here. Gotta put 1 mark for pants. And remember, you could use any color smart that you like. Now try to remember that each item should have a different color. Let's see, what's this? Oh, another pair of pants. I guess I need that green marker again. What else do I have? Oh, what's this? Another jacket. All right, let me mark another jacket. Oh, what's this? Oh, 1 more jacket. Oh, and I have 2 things left, and it's a pair of socks. So I'm going to count each one. 1, 2. 2 socks. Wow, now I could really see what's in my laundry basket. So as you can tell, my laundry basket had how many skirts? 1, that's right. And it had how many jackets? 1, 2, 3, that's right, 3. How many socks did my laundry basket have? 1, 2, wow, you're right, 2. And how many pants? 1, 2, 2 pairs of pants. Wow, boys and girls, you're so good at counting. So now you have to tell me which one has the equal amount. Oh, that's right, socks and pants, they both have 2, so that's equal. Which one has the most? Oh, jacket, that's right, jackets have the most. Which one has the least? Oh, you're right, skirt. There was only 1 skirt that had the least. So now I cannot wait to see what's in your laundry basket. Have fun graphing.